Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this XIAOMI device. First of all, go into Play Store and type LED keyboard in the search bar. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started. Tap OK and scroll down. Tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard, choose OK again and tap on Input Options. Select LED keyboard one more time and pick one of the available options in the pop-up. Then you need to select keyboards that you like the best by clicking on it. I will go with that one. Close an ad and choose Get Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!